I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 7 Roman 1 exercise 3.3 equal to so that the matrix comma A equal to opening of square bracket the elements of first row I have written 1 minus 1 5, the elements of second row I have written minus 1 2 1, the elements of third row I have written 5 1 3, closing of square bracket is a symmetric matrix. Roman 2 so that the matrix comma A equal to opening of square bracket the elements of first row I have written 0 1 minus 1, the elements of second row I have written minus 1 0 1, the elements of third row I have written 1 minus 1 0, closing of square bracket is a skew symmetric matrix. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall explain the solution equal to Roman 1. First of all, I shall take solution of question number 7 Roman 1. Here I shall write given that the matrix A equal to opening of square bracket I shall do the elements of first row I am going to write 1 minus 1 5, the elements of second row I shall write minus 1 2 1, the elements of third row I shall write 5 1 3, closing of square bracket I have done here. The given matrix is this one. We have to show that the matrix A here is a symmetric matrix. So here I shall write the theorem related to symmetric matrix. We know that for a matrix capital A to be symmetric, we know that for a matrix to be symmetric, when the transpose of matrix A equal to the itself matrix A. We know that for a matrix A to be symmetric when transpose of matrix A equal to matrix A. We know that for a matrix A to be symmetric when transpose of matrix A equal to A. Matrix A. So here matrix A is the given. So here I shall write the transpose of matrix A. The transpose of matrix A equal to A dash. The transpose of matrix A equal to A dash equal to A raised to power T equal to this is the given matrix. This is the given matrix. The transpose of the matrix A. Here I shall write here the elements of first row will be converted into here elements of first column. Here first row will be converted here into first column. So here I shall write this one. This one is first row. This one is the first row. This first row will be converted into first column here. 1 minus 1, 5. Here the second row will be converted into second column. So here I shall write minus 1, 2, 1. Here the third row will be converted into third column. So here I shall write 5, 1, 3. The transpose of the matrix A equal to opening of square bracket, the elements of first row I have written 1, minus 1, 5. The elements of second row I have written here minus 1, 2, 1. The elements of third row I have written 5, 1, 3. This first row has been converted into first column here. This second row has been converted into second column here. This third row has been converted into third column here. Now compare this one. Here you can see the transpose of the matrix A is equal to this matrix as per this theorem. So here you can see same element first row 1 minus 1 5 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 5 1 3. So here you can see implied that here you can write very well a raised to power t equal to a you have got, because the value of a you have got this one same value you have got. Here you can see right here same element you can write. The elements of first row I shall write 1 minus 1 5 I shall write. The elements of second row I shall write minus 1 2 1. The elements of third row I shall write 5 1 3 closing of square bracket will be done. So this is the case I have shown. Now come out to here. Solution of question 7 Roman 2. So here I shall write solution equal to Roman 2 I shall write. Here I shall write so that the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. So here I shall write given that this matrix will be reflected here, given that matrix A equal to the elements of first row I shall write 0 1 minus 1. The elements of second row I shall write minus 1 0 1. The elements of third row here I shall write 1 minus 1 0. Closing of square bracket will be done. This is the given matrix. This one matrix, this matrix has been reflected here same Roman 2. Now it says this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. From this matrix I shall get transpose of A. The first of file I shall get here transpose of A. So here implied that here I shall write the transpose of the matrix A. The transpose of the matrix A equal to A raised to power t equal to A dash. So here I shall find the value of A dash equal to opening of square bracket will be done here. Here you can see in the given matrix A, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. So here first row will be converted on transpose of the matrix A. The first row will be converted here into first column. So this will become 0, 1, minus 1. Here you can see this is the second row. The second row will be converted into second column here. So here I shall write minus 1, 0, 1 I shall write. Here you can see the third row will be converted here into third column. So here I shall write 1, minus 1, 0. Closing of square bracket will be done. This is the transpose of the matrix A. Now from this matrix I shall take minus as common. So here I shall write minus A. Take minus 1 as a common. The whole element, each elements of the transpose of the matrix A will be affected. So here I shall write 0. Minus 1 will become here 1. Here plus 1 will become here minus 1. Here 1 will become here minus 1. Here 0 it will become. Here minus 1 will become here plus 1. Here minus 1 will become here 1. Here plus 1 will become here minus 1. Here 0, 0 I shall write. Now this one you have got here. Now here you can see. Here I have got A dash equal to value of A dash I have got here minus opening of square bracket I shall done. The elements of first row I shall write 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0 I shall write like this. Implied that this will become A dash equal to minus A. Now this whole matrix has been converted into A. Just compare this one. Here we have got the elements of first row 0, 1, minus 1. Here 0, 1, minus 1. The elements of second row you have got minus 1, 0, 1 you have got. Here the elements of third row you have got 1, minus 1, 0 you have got. So this matrix has been reflected here, and this minus I have reflected. So when this is case, the transpose of the matrix A equal to minus A, implied that here I can write, here I have got the transpose of matrix A equal to minus A. When this is the condition, the transpose of the matrix A equal to minus A, then the given matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. The given matrix A will become a skew symmetric matrix when the transpose of the matrix A equal to minus the given matrix A. This is the complete solution of question number 7, Roman 1 here and Roman 2 here. This thing you have to show. Now, the complete solution of question number 7, Roman 1 and Roman 2 is over. That question has been taken from Chapter 3 Matrix, NCERT 12 Mathematics. Exercise I have commenced 3.3